What's up guys, welcome back to another video in my channel. And in today's video I'm back with another Sunday story series video in this channel. Season 4 episode 2. And guys, I have not uploaded Sunday story series video for 2 Sundays. One Sunday because of Father's Day we went out, and on the other Sunday that I went to my village to celebrate birthday of my maternal uncle's daughter. So that's why 2 Sundays I was not able to upload any videos. But so now, well, I'm back. Sunday Story Series is also back. And yeah, as you guys know, I uploaded a video of David De Gea. And from now on, I think in Sundays or any other day, if I have a free day, like if my school is holidays there, then I may upload a football related video, because as you know I have cancelled the idea of all about football, so I may do that. So with that, let's start today's video. Yeah, so today's video's name is the backup plan. You know how it's called, the backup plan, backup plan. Once upon a time, there lived two friends named Aidan Barker and Sven Gottwals in the city of Frankfurt, Germany. They both shared the same interests, from favorite sport to their ambition of becoming successful businessmen. However, the key difference between them was their approach to the future. Aidan always had a backup plan and worked hard, while Sven didn't prepare for the future and tended to be more relaxed. Despite the different mindsets, they both competed for the top spot and managed to achieve success. After graduating, they both pursued their goals of becoming wealthy. Aidan invested in a big company, Najom. I know where that was the first thing that came in my head. Najom. I also don't know the full form of Najom. But let me tell you how did I got this name. You know the video game company Mojang? Yeah, Mojang. So technically what I did, Mojang, I think that's a spelling, M O Mojang, Mojang. I think that's the full name. And I reversed it to Mojang, became Gnajom. Gnajom. That sounds a little awkward because G is in the first. So I cut the G, and that is Najom, Najom, or Najom, or Najom, whatever you can say you can call it. I will call it Najom. Yeah, that sounds better, I think. Najom, Najom. Saying, try to say Najom 50 times. Yeah, let's see who can do this. Say Najom 50 times. Yeah, that's a good challenge. And also started a YouTube channel to grow his online presence. Meanwhile, Sven trusted the same company Najwa and didn't actively pursue other opportunities. Initially, things went well for both of them. However, when Najwa faced a crisis and eventually shut down, Sven suffered a significant setback. On the other hand, Aiden remained unaffected, as his YouTube channel had gained immense popularity. He also successfully established his own business, which he named Barker Planet. Yeah, so I know this is a little short story, I can say, but wait, video's not over yet. Now, some of you may not understand like what I want to say in this video. So, what I want to say in this video is that have a backup plan. What do you mean by backup plan? Like, for example, A is your plan, and in A, whatever you think of, like A, and you're trusting completely on A, but you should have a plan B too. Because if plan A fails, you have plan B, and it will not be that harmful for you. So that if plan A fails, don't worry, plan B is there, right? That is what Aiden Barker did. But when God falls, is did something else. He completely relied on plan A, which was a very bad thing. Because if you rely on one thing completely, if you rely on one thing full completely and full focus on it, then a time may come that plan A fails. Yeah, that may happen because you are a human and humans make mistakes. So if a problem is there in plan A, like you made a plan A and now if plan A is suffering from big problem, then plan B you should have so that you will not suffer that much. That's what Aiden did. His plan A was Najom. Najom, right? Yeah, Najom. He completely relied on Najom, but at the same time, he also made his YouTube channel because, as you know, YouTube channel after becoming a YouTuber, if you gain more than 500 subscribers, then your earning journey will get started, and the more you get the views, the more money you'll get. So that is like for that reason, Aiden started his YouTube channel because if plan A fails, plan B is there. But when God falls, this guy completely relied on plan A. Never thought of a plan B to be honest. Yeah, he didn't thought of any plan Bs because well he relied on what's the name again? Najom. He relied completely on Najom because well it's a big company and big companies eventually don't fail that much to be honest. So Sven did that only. He completed it on Najom or what Najom and well that was the most worst thing he could have done. On the other hand, where Aiden was doing hard work to grow his channel and also invested in Najom, Sven completed that on Najom and didn't do anything for his future business. And when Najom failed, Aiden doesn't even care because his channel has become way too popular and now, well, he has a lot of money now and now he started his uh, own successful business named Barker Planet. So that's what I'm telling you to do. Always have a plan B. Not always rely on plan A because plan A may fail. Plan B is another choice. I'm not just saying only make two plans. If you think that plan B is also a risky plan, plan C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. And then AB, plan AB, plan AC, plan AD, like this, like cars have, you know, cars, like, name plates are there, you can go like that also if you wish. But yeah, first of all, listen to me. Like, this thing you should do. Have a plan. Have a separate plan. Because if one plan fails, then you have a separate plan. And with that separate plan, you can establish yourself successful. Because no way that out of, if you make total of 50 plans, and in all the 50 plans fail, there's no chance like that. There's at least 2% chance of each plan being successful, right? So always make a other plan, plan B, so that plan A fails. No, don't worry if you have plan B, and also work hard because as you know, to start to make a YouTube channel popular, you need to work really hard, which I'm experiencing right now as a YouTuber, and I have to work really hard. But still, if you like, uh, you should have always a plan B. If you if your plan A fails, don't worry, plan B just helped you a lot, right? So always have a separate plan. Do not always have one plan and be successful, work hard, enjoy your life. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's me, Prananjan, signing out.